participants of the Mammoth Rally. First placer, Limonifer School Activity, joint GSP and BSP Catholic. Our school math quizzer, second placer. Our school science quiz, third placer. Nutrition poster making, third placer. ESWN advocate, and garner the core of character, mga bansa, mga kalikasan, mga tao at mga Diyos. Kalima, bansa, mga kalikasan at mga Diyos. Next, Hermoso Jimar received another medal for Apagon Saver, PSP participant, and third winner for Nukling Costume Attire. And received the fourth value of the four M's, makabansa, makatao, makakalikasan, at mga Diyos. And now, Del Castro Simanga received for PSP participant and also have the four. Okay, please give now the certificates and ribbons. I will call the cooperative parents. Okay, step forward. Mrs. Regine A. Dao, Mr. and Mrs. Frijoles, Mrs. Maria Rita L. Santacera, Mrs. Sharon